Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Oppo mobile password biometric setting, and today video title is guys how to delete Oppo mobile face lock data. Friends, you don't want to use Oppo mobile face lock setting, you want to delete your face lock data, you want to unlock your Oppo mobile without face lock. So friends, now let's see how to unlock Oppo mobile without face lock, how to delete Oppo mobile face lock data one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, unlock your phone. After unlock phone, open your device, open mobile phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. Friends, in your Oppo mobile, scroll down here and open your phone password and biometric setting. After doing phone password and biometric setting friends, if you click here lock screen password, so you can change your lock screen password. You want to remove lock screen password, you can remove. Set privacy password setting, if you click here, so you can own your privacy password. Add fingerprint friends, you don't have fingerprint lock, you want to add fingerprint lock data, so friends enter your password, you can add your fingerprint lock in Oppo mobile. So friends, we will click your phone face lock setting, enter your password. After enter password, you can use your face lock data setting, and friends if you click here, your face lock data will delete. You cannot unlock your Oppo mobile with face lock data. Friends, you have your face lock data and you will not delete your face lock data by mistake. If you turn off your lock screen password, if you delete your lock screen password, so friends you can check. Face lock will delete automatic if you disable your lock screen password. So friends, click here disable option and you want to off your lock screen password, turn off screen lock password, enter your password. Friends, automatic your face lock will delete. 1 2 3 4 face lock delete. Friends, you can check. If you click here add face option, continue option, first you will have to set your lock screen password, then you can start face lock again in your Android mobile and in your Oppo mobile, then you can use it. Friends, lock your screen. You can unlock your Oppo mobile without face lock. Swipe here, phone will unlock without password and without face lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you find out you have any problem in password and biometric setting? You can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.